everybody, welcome back to the Nadia Gilmore Show, or welcome to the Nadia Gilmore Show. Today we are going to be talking about something that not many people fully grasp, and that is the immense challenge of manufacturing vehicles, particularly the Cybertruck. Now, I had watched the Joe Rogan show and he had Elon Musk on there, and Elon Musk said something to the extent of, if people truly understood the difficulty of manufacturing vehicles, they would have a different perspective on innovation. And after I did a deep dive into the technical aspects of creating the Cybertruck, I realized that Elon was completely correct. So today we are going to be diving into why making a vehicle is so hard, and the Cybertruck particularly, but vehicles in general. Okay, so let's get into it. So let's first start with the material that was used in the Cybertruck. Now, I believe they used 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, and Elon Musk and his team didn't just want to create a vehicle that was just a truck. They wanted to create something that was almost indestructible, and even though stainless steel is very durable and strong, it's also notoriously difficult to work with. Unlike automotive materials such as mild steel and aluminum, stainless steel has different properties when it comes to stamping, forming, welding, and all the basic necessities, work that takes to create a vehicle. Stainless steel is just super difficult to work with. For an example, cold-rolled stainless steel hardens, which makes it prone to cracking during the manufacturing process, which is why many traditional car manufacturers will shy away from using it in mass production. And to add to that challenge of welding stainless steel, it's something that requires highly specialized techniques to avoid creating weak points. This is no small task, and on top of that, working with such a rigged material means that traditional stamping methods used to form the body panels are not feasible. And this is why Tesla had to completely rethink almost every single aspect of the Cybertruck's production process. Let's move on to the more technical aspect of the making of the Cybertruck. Now, Elon Musk was quoted saying it was a nightmare. Well, when you're working with such a futuristic design and a material that wasn't necessarily meant to be mass produced in the first place, meant that every single step of the manufacturing process had to be completely re-engineered. So take for an example the stamping process. In traditional vehicle manufacturing, large stamping presses are used to form body panels from metal sheets. Now, these presses are finely tuned to create complex shapes, but the toughness of the 30x stainless steel means that Tesla had to develop a completely new set of machinery. This isn't just about scaling production, it's about designing custom high-pressure presses that could handle the sheer resistance of material while still ensuring precision. And let's not forget about the Gigapress. This is another technological innovation that Tesla had brought to the table. It's a large-scale die casting machinery that allows them to create a massive single piece of vehicle's frame. This is a radical shift from traditional assembly methods where multiple components are welded together. The difficulty here is that casting such a large complex parts requires an extremely high degree of precision in the molding process, especially when using a material as unforgiving as stainless steel. Achieving the level of detail required without creating defects is, to put into simple terms, a massive engineering challenge. Now let's talk about the weight. One of the main reasons why traditional manufacturers don't use ultra-hard stainless steel in mass-market vehicles is because it's too heavy. A heavier vehicle means lower fuel efficiency and more wear on the component, and ultimately a higher cost for the consumer. For Tesla, this raised a critical question. How do we keep the Cybertruck's strength while balancing its weight for performance and efficiency? But I think the Cybertruck is really cool looking. Once I can afford one, I will get the Beast so that I can do, I believe it's 300 miles you can get on a full charge. But I live in a super red state, and everyone here is like, it's a refrigerator on wheels. Is that a dumpster with wheels? I'm like, they're super dramatic, and But it is so cool, man. I'm gonna get it coated in black and have it raised. It's gonna be so pimped out. It's gonna be so cool. Maybe gold rim, or maybe red, like ruby red or velvet red. That would be cool. Anyways, but yeah, I think it looks super cool and I love it. But everyone, yeah, that I know hates it. I don't know why. Now, the final and perhaps most overlooked challenge in making the Cybertruck was consumer expectations. Now, when you're working with such a radical design with the Cybertruck, you're not only challenging the engineering tasks and problems, you're also challenging what people are accustomed to. Cybertruck's unique angular design was something that Elon himself envisioned, but getting the world to buy into it is challenging and unpredictable. And then there's the human factor. How do you create a vehicle that feels like an extension of the driver, one that connects the consumer not just intellectually but emotionally? Now, Tesla's design team had to find ways to innovate while maintaining usability and functionality. Now, I hope this video gave you guys a deeper appreciation for the complexities involved in creating such a revolutionary product, and also a deeper understanding as to how manufacturing works. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more of my content. I will see you guys next Saturday. Hopefully you guys will be getting a video from me every single week, and at least one short and one video, and I will make sure of it. I'm so sorry for leaving you guys hanging for so long. Thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye. I'm in focus, like maybe close. I'm not. I think I am here. And if everyone's gonna, and I can't speak. You guys like the Banes, by the way. It's a new addition. You don't realize how big your forehead is until it's covered all the time. And also, I messed up my eyebrows big time, so I'm so glad I added the Banes. I really wish I had a lot of energy, because it feels like my podcasts are more entertaining when I do have energy. I haven't edited anything. You guys don't really care, so let me redo that. Wait, was I in focus this one? Everybody, welcome to my Nadia Gilmore show. My Nadia. That sounds so weird. I hope you can see my guitar strap. It's so cool. It's like a police, whatever.